few small steps, and pretty soon you'll be walking for miles. Lean on the trust that I'm providing, and won't you be calm? Just let it happen. Well, I've always seen I'm gonna set you up for challenge, but don't look away. You gotta take it on with balance. So strike your pose, and if you start to stumble, and love will be the motor that's gonna keep you strong and humble. Yeah. So take good care of one another, and be prepared to follow through. Your greatest moment comes when your back's against the wall, and when it comes around, you don't have to choose, 'cause you know what to do. For a moment, I just own it. Remember how we used to laugh, so breathe through it. Well, you can do this. Hey, life is just a photograph. You burn everything that you are, and all the people we meet. You know we traveled so far, and all the lessons you learn. Every fall leaves a scar, and those scars are there to remind us not what went wrong, but what went right, and there to implore us to soldier on as we shoot for them stars. I said, 'cause we all need just a push and a shove every once in a while. I feel the small steps, pretty soon you'll be walking for miles, and lean on the trust that I'm providing, and won't you be calm? Just let it happen. Well, I've always seen I'm gonna set you up for challenge, but don't look away. I just take it on with balance. So strike your pose, and if you start to stumble, and love will be the motor that's gonna keep you strong and humble. Say love, gonna be the motor that's gonna keep you strong and humble. Say love, gonna be the motor that's gonna keep you strong. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, for a moment, but just own it. Remember how we used to laugh, so breathe through it. Well, you can do this. Hey, life is just a photograph.